Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and easy to make Paneer Bhurji. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया को चाहछंती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. Let's start with the recipe. First heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadai and then add chopped garlic, ginger and green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of each. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute for a minute. Then add 1 finely chopped onion and saute till the onions turn translucent. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Salt according to taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix and saute for 2 minutes. Now add 300 grams of mashed or grated paneer. Mix with the spices and cook for 5 minutes. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder and give it a mix. Add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a last mix. Our Paneer Bhurji is ready to serve. Serve it hot with chapati or paratha. Our quick and easy to make delicious Paneer Bhurji is ready now. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.